Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover, your one-stop beauty blog. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing us how I achieve this soft makeup on a chocolate combination skin diva using some of my Nigerian brands. So these are my Nigerian branded skin prep products. First, I have my Dr. Rashell Serum, my Sod Cream moisturizer, and my adventure primer, and I am going to be applying them on her face, making sure that all products I applied dried first before I apply the next. After that, I'll be applying my 2-shade foundation, V Beauty foundation, to get her exact shade, and then I'll blend it one part at a time and spread the face using my hydrating green tea spray to make the foundation sit in. And then this is how it is looking after is being blended. Next, I'll be applying my cheek contour using a 2-shade darker foundation for my contouring. Then I'll be applying it a little bit underneath the chin bone and upwards on the hairline in front of her hairline. So while that is being done, I will be applying my blush. This blush is from Avourcosmetics, and I will be applying it right on the chin bone. So I always advise, if you don't want to wear that heavy makeup, you have to apply all your makeup products lightly so that it will help you achieve that flawless, weightless makeup. So this is me applying the blush on her right side of the cheek, and after blending it in, I will move over to highlighting the face. So for my highlight, I'll be using my Spotless Pro Concealer, 2 shades of it, mix the two together and then use it for my highlighting. And I'll be applying it on the 5 highlighted areas, which are the forehead, bridge of the nose, under the eyes, above the lip and the jaw. And I will be blending that in very well. Next, I'll be applying my nose contour using the same mixture I used for my cheek contour, the 2-shade darker foundation, and then blending that in seamlessly. So this is the way I outline my nose during nose contouring. Make sure that you lift the nose up properly and then blend it in to avoid demarcation. So just as I am doing it here, if you're doing your nose contouring, you have to start from where the brows begin. That is how to get a professional nose contouring. So start from there, blend it in, and then fist the entire skin work using your spray. Next, I'll be baking the face using my powder palette from Avourcosmetics. Then I'll be using the right shades to bake the highlighted areas, just as you had seen me do here, and then use the same shades that matches the skin for the rest of the face. Some people like to go in straight with their setting powder to preset, others preset with their powder. Any one that works for you. No makeup process is set on stone, you just do what works for you. So for me, after my liquid skin work, I go over to baking using my powder. Then after that, I set my makeup properly using a setting powder. So right here, I am setting the under eye using my RCMA setting powder. This is a foreign brand though. Then I will highlight or preset the rest of the face using same powder. So just watch as I am doing it. So like I said, remember you have to set the 5 areas you highlighted, and also the essence of this setting is so that the makeup will stop creasing, like it will help you control excess oil coming from those products you have applied. So creamy products tends to crease, and if you don't dry it, the rule of makeup even states that every liquid must be dry. And how can you dry it? It is through the use of powder and baking. So if you are baking and setting, you bake and set properly so that your makeup will not crease. Spray only cannot help you achieve this. So while setting, set and bake properly, especially on the under eyes. If you have not done your eye look already, setting the under eye will help you not to get the makeup messy with your eyeshadow fallout. Next, I will be doing my reverse contour and then lift the nose contour up. just as I am doing it. And then after that, I'll move over to brows. For my brows, I'll be using my schoolie brush to arrange the brows properly, and then use a little bit of my hair wash edge control, as you people call it. If you have brow tamer, it's advisable you use brow tamer. So, but I don't have right now, and I'm using Nigerian brands, remember? So I have to use my hair wash to arrange it. Then use my setting powder to tame any oil or creasing from that hair wash. Next, I will be outlining my brows using my Karite brown gel liner to outline the brows, both the upper and the lower brows. And then after that, I will be concealing the brows to redefine the brows. So just watch as I am doing it. Alright, so after outlining the brows, the next thing I'm going to do is to fill the brows and stroke it. Stroking it to make it look and appear very natural, and then filling it as light as possible. Your brows doesn't have to be so thick. And then after outlining and stroking the brows, I will be concealing the brows. Okay, so for the brow highlight or concealer, I will be using the same pro concealer I used in highlighting the face to highlight, and then blend that in and bake it using same shade of powder. And then after that, I will apply my eyeshadow. Alright, so for my eyeshadow, I'll be using a soft brown eyeshadow from my Fairy Princess eyeshadow palette to blend the eyelid, and then use my eyeshadow primer to cut the crease. And so if you're looking at the way I am blending the soft brown eyeshadow, you will see that I am not using it to clean off the entire brow highlight. Just watch as my brush is moving. I use it starting from the brow contour area to a bit lower on the eyelid. So you don't have to use your eyeshadow to clear off the whole brow highlight because it has to show. So after blending that in, I will cut the crease properly using my eyeshadow primer. Some people would like to use a high definition concealer to cut the crease, but I use my eyeshadow primer for the proper definition. So after cutting the crease, next thing I'll be doing is to fill the crease using this Ferrous green, or should I say turquoise blue, whatever, but just fill in the crease. And then the next thing I'll do is to outline or fill the waterline with my black Karite gel liner, and then apply my mascara on her natural lashes. So after that, I will be dusting off the lip area so that I can apply the lippy. I'll do this with my Melanin finishing powder, and then for the lips, I will be using my nude shade from my Bicham lip palette to fill the lip and highlight it, and then use a coffee brown to outline the lips. After that, I will blend it in and use my white shade of eyeshadow to prime the lid. So I chose a nude lip for this look because when your eye is making a statement in makeup application, your lip is supposed to be mild, and when you apply a nude shade of eyeshadow on your eyelid, then you can be bold with your lips. That's why I chose this nude lip, because my eyeshadow is already making a statement. And so after applying the lippy and blending that in, I will be fixing her first lash and then arrange it very well. After that, I'll be finishing this makeup using my Melanin finishing powder to first of all dust off the setting powders on the highlighted areas, clean it up and make sure it is flawless. After that, I will be fixing the makeup first using my hydrating face spray, and then once that is dry, I will be applying my glow by Yanga Beauty, and then this glow I will apply it on the jaw, on the chin bone, bridge of the nose and the forehead, then a little bit on the brow highlight to make sure that the face is popping very well. So for that glow and warmth on the face, make sure to apply either your bronzer or your glow. And voila, this is the final look, guys. I did the makeup and my student tied the gele. So what do you guys think about this look? Will you be trying it? If this is your first time of seeing my video, please subscribe, like, do not make it your last. Give this video a thumbs up and also let me know what you think on the comment section. Bye guys, I'll be seeing you on my next video.